Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making some delicious veggie noodles. They are so good. So they're packed with like veggies and everything, and it's just delicious. So keep watching on how to make these. So we're gonna be using these chow mein noodles. We used 1.5 pack of these. These ones have no eggs, so they're great. Alright, so you wanna boil them and strain them. And then you can start sauteing some onions and mushrooms together. Now you want to do the mushrooms first because they're going to release a little bit of water, so you want that out. And for the veggies, part of them, we use this Thai style frozen vegetables. These have like the baby corns in them, so they're great. This is how it looks like out of the pack. We used half or a little bit less than half of that pack because it's huge. And then you also want some broccoli, so I just put this in a little bit of warm water. And also some bell peppers. Okay, I know this looks like odd, but we're just crushing a little bit of ginger, garlic, and some green chilies together. I guess this could be like a life hack. I don't know. It's the first time I saw my mom doing it. So yeah. Anyways, if your blender or whatever is not working, you can use that. So just add that into your onion and mushroom mixture, and then we're gonna just mix that up together. Alright, here, so we just added the frozen veggies, and we're just also stirring that in. And now we're adding the bell pepper, so we used orange, green, and red, but it doesn't matter, it's whatever you have on hand. So just throw that in. So you can see all that water that's in the middle, you want that to evaporate before you start adding more things in. So like at this point we just added the broccoli, but you want to kind of make sure that a lot of the water is evaporated before you start adding the noodles. So just grab your noodles, make sure you have clean hands, and then just start putting your noodles in, try mixing them together while you're adding them in, so like a little batches at a time. And then use 2 sticks if you have to, like we are using here, but we're making a lot because a lot of people are going to eat this. So I mean, if there's only a few of you, then make less portions of this, obviously. Okay, so now to make our sauce, we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm only showing 2 here, but we did end up adding more. So you want to do that, and you want to add sriracha, so I like 2 tablespoons, and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of plain white vinegar. Mix that together, and also add in salt here at this point and other seasonings that you want, because we forgot to do that, so we had to end up putting it on the noodles afterwards, like you'll see in a minute. But add that to the sauce so it'll be easier to mix together everything just all at once instead of just adding things later on. And this is also just on low heat right now. So right here, mix it in like a little bit of batches because we have a lot of noodles. And since we did forget the salt, we just added it in right now. Now mix that all together. And there you guys have it. We have some delicious veggie noodles. They taste super yummy. I hope you guys give this a try. And also just add in like ketchup at the top and add in sriracha here, and it tastes delicious. I hope you guys do give this a try. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!